Morning. Good morning. Okay, wait a moment. I will be back for a few minutes. All right. All right. Everything's fine. Okay, good morning. Yes, we're gonna have the construction noise with us forever. How are you guys doing? Morning, Jerry. Morning, Andrew. Everyone. So you see I changed the banner today because we have 90% off for Apex. Finally, until 29th of July. So it's like 4 to 5 days for this 90% off discount. You get scam? What do you mean? I used to buy 50% off of Apex account because when I need to buy it, they don't have discount, so I have to buy 50% off. That was so expensive. At that time, I was really got scammed. But like 70% and 80%, they always got those discounts. All right. So, yeah, yesterday I assume everyone make a lot, right? During New York AM session, I saw everyone posting profits in the group. So yesterday I took 2 losses during the stream, right? At the end, I mean, I was ending the stream so sudden because I was like, so frustrated with everything, like with the noise, with the price action, because moved it so slow and I got stopped out 2 times. Everything got me frustrated. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna trade another time. I don't want to like be exhausted and waste all my mental capital. So I just end the stream right away. But yes, I also made it bad during New York session. I know I'm not winning on the stream. Maybe it looks suspect. I understand that, but because I don't stream New York session, so there's nothing I can do with that. And just also as an example to show you it's okay to lose. I mean, I was upset. I did. I mean, I'm still a human being. I got emotion, but you gotta stop trading if you feel that emotion, and just wait a few hours, right? I stopped trading around 4, I think 4 a.m. Eastern time, and then I look at the chart again at 9. So that was 5 hours break for me, and that's why I recover my emotion, and everything's remain normal, and I can trade again. So do you guys. You guys can do that too. So today is Happy Friday, right? So I'm gonna be like more conservative today. I don't want to get a set weekend because when we lose on Friday, we have to wait 2 days, at least 2 days, to recover. Well, that is a different condition versus I just lose yesterday and I can make it back today. I would be upset for the whole weekend, and I don't feel comfortable about that. So I usually be like more conservative on Friday. Take a look at the high time frame analysis first. Ooh. So we got another all-time high for today's price session, right? Okay. So price dip into this 4-hour FUG. And I want to mention the 1 hour volume imbalance that I post on threads. I post on threads with Cantonese, so you may need translator if you want to understand what I'm talking about. But you can at least see the chat, right? Because the chat is in English. And as I mentioned so many times that in all the higher time frame PD arrays, the 1 hour FUG means the most to me because with backtesting, also forward testing, I found that it was quite essential for my trading model and also for 1 hour volume imbalance, which is this one. So you can see we got a gap here. The difference between volume imbalance and FUG is in FUG, you don't have wick between, right? It's just a whole gap. But here you can see we got wick between. So that's a volume imbalance. You can just simply see it as a FUG. So if, yeah, I think that's it. So it was so thin, right? It's so narrow, but I still marked it out because every time I mark it out, the price gonna go back to there. I found that, so I know it's important. I have to mark it out. It's just I think a few points, right? I think one point, 1 to 2 point here, but still need to mark it out because price did come back. Not only yesterday, so many days before. You can just back test. You will see it. You will see how price react with the 1 hour volume imbalance and also the FVG. All right. Okay, so we got another one here. Okay, right now price sweep this relative equal high and become another all-time high again. Then retrace back to end dot, new day opening gap. Right now retrace back to a 1 hour FVG and also we got midnight opening price above. And as usual with all-time high, I'm not looking for short. I'm not looking for short didn't mean that price have to be bullish. Price can be bearish, right? Just like yesterday. But I just don't want to engage the price with short position. That's why I won't look for short setup. I know I'm gonna miss some move with this choice. I know that, but yeah, that's my decision. Yesterday, someone mentioned I was so distracted. They can hear it with my voice, my sound, my tone. Yes, I was. I have to admit, I was so distracted yesterday, but I don't want to use that as an excuse for my losing trade. I mean, I was distracted, but at that situation, I still decide to trade, right? I should have two choices. I should either stop trading because of distraction, or I have to find some way to overcome the distraction and focus again. So I didn't do both of them. I just keep on trading. So that's on me. I decide that and I make the wrong decision to keep on trading with that mental condition. Okay. Oh, so ES didn't sweep Asia low. So is SMT here? You passed TFT, the Thunder Trader? Or TPT, you mean? Oh, using my code. Appreciate that. Appreciate everyone who used my code. I know you don't have to do that, but you still do that. So I really appreciate that for everyone's support. I won't take it for granted. Appreciate everyone's effort here. So I also passed my Thunder Futures evaluation yesterday because I was using Pro account, so they got 50% consistency rule on eval. So I have to trade for at least 2 days. You think all of us took the same trade yesterday? Yeah, I think everyone took the same trade. Because it's just so obvious, right? I saw that Tanya took the same trade too, right? She calls early, but I think it's the right decision because you're on live stream. You don't want to wait for a long time with live streaming. So I can understand that. If I'm live streaming, I think I would close the trade earlier too. So she done a very good job, and she's a great live streamer. I really recommend everyone to watch her newer session live stream. I've been watching her since her first started her YouTube channel. Can you please give a brief recap on yesterday? Okay, let me find that. I think I took a trade that the one is I recover at market open, so I recover the losses with London session, and then I took another trade on my TBT account. You can see that I made 30,000 with 3 TBT accounts, which is another trade. I will show you. So, I want to keep an eye on that. Or whatever. It's Friday. I don't care. So here is the threads. You can see that. Yeah, so this 1 hour volume imbalance is the one that I talked about just a few minutes before. And also we got a 1 minute IFVG here, right? And a 1 minute BC. So I was entering here. I need price, I need the candle body close above the 1 minute IFVG, and also I wait a moment because it was like chopping, so I was like entering here. And then I'm glad I made the decision to close my position here. You can see that with this. I close my position here because my original thought was you guys know I love outage gap, right? So actually my original TP was outage open and also this swing high. But you know the free drive patterns, do you guys know that? It was creating free drive patterns here, so I decided to close it here. And then price go down again. But yeah, I think after 30 minutes or an hour, price go up again. But if you close it here, you don't have to experience all those chopping, all those barcode price action. So yeah, that's the J. And I think many of us took that. And also I want to talk about this. You don't have to close it here. I was so demanding, right? You guys can see it was so choppy here. For example, like Tanya, he closed, I think here or here. That is a good TP point too. So I will recommend everyone to at least take parcel here and here. I was greedy. I just have to admit that I was greedy. So I hold it till the end. But if you're a beginner, better take partials. Yeah, I love it. I love her stream. I mean, she's funny. She's funny and she's trading mini. It's important, okay? I know at first she wasn't trading minis. She was trading Michaels at first, but now she transferred to minis. That is evolving. That is improvement, and it's so happy to see traders there. Improving herself day by day, and it's something we should learn because that should be our goal. Progress. How to hold larger position size, how to manage risk and your emotion with large floating profit. This kind of thing is something we should learn. Any plans on posting recaps or learning video on wire? Yep. I will post. I don't know. I will try to make a video this weekend, but I'm not sure can I post that this weekend because I think I need a lot of editing. So see if I can finish that. Let me see. So right now, um, I'm trying to find a long setup, but like we got a equal low here, and also this one is like a 1 hour FUG. So, but also this is like the China liquidity, the LLL we love, and we got a midnight opening price. So I think it would be great to go up. But right now, let me see. I need to find an entry point because I can't find an entry point right now. Come on. Because I don't want to act like yesterday chasing price. Right? I did chase a little bit, I have to admit it. Not a lot, not like 50 points, right? Just a little bit, but still, chasing price is chasing price. I want price to clear this one. I don't know if it's gonna happen because if it go down, it can just strike to another equal low here. We got another equal low here. I'll see. I will wait. Yeah, today should be a more conservative day for me. My offers. And this indicator, I don't know if you guys have this equal high and lows. Please use that. It's just so useful. Because when you, for example, when I look here, I can't see if I have any liquid pool here, but with this indicator, I'll load that. So if anyone not using it, it's time to add it for your chart. Do you have a Discord? Yes. I got a link down in the description box. I'm drinking sake today. Well, I would love to drink beer, but I found out that I ran out of beer on my fridge. Okay, we're chasing. So I need to drink sake. You can't find it. I heard about that. Some people can't find it. I don't know why. Is if we can't find it, maybe we can ask our professional programmer, professional coder Ollie here. If he made equal high and lows indicator, it will be very popular because everyone wants that. post a link. Let me see. How can I post a link? Let me see. Guess I'm really not good at technology. Wait. You have to try that. Okay. Yeah. Can you guys see that? So we'll see how price go with this liquidity, and also because right now we are having SMT with yes, right? But if this bearish move make yes clear the A shadow, then things gonna be different. So keep an eye on that. What's the plan? Full pot longs, full pot short? No, I'm trading fund account today, so no full pot. But first, I don't think full pot is a problem if you get like good risk management, and also you enter with limit order, and you know how price doing, what is happening. It's okay. But well, I suggest scaling with it. For example, yesterday with that 30,000 profit trade, I was scaling with it. I'm not like entering with 6 contract. I was adding one by one. So I got 6 entry point. And I know many profitable traders. For example, they use 150K account and they will trade with 50 minutes. And it's not a big deal for them because they can hold it. Like for example, Lathan, who everyone's know that, right? I guess. He also got a Twitter, I think. I need to promote him. Okay. So this guy, if you guys remember, I've talked. There was someone who made 100K a day on Top Step account, live account, which is him. This is the guy who made 100K in one day, and then he's doing good too right now. You can see that, for example, this one, he holding 10 contract, right, with 18,000 profit. Yeah, so you can take a look and follow for more information of him. Would you consider NQ in a premium? Of course, of course. We are in the all-time high. So premium. But like it depends on which range you're looking at, right? So for example, for like if I look at this range, we're in premium. But if we look at this range, this one, then we are in discount. So depends. This liquidity and Q. We'll wait a little bit more. Today I will still use the Chase Sinker. You can see here I log in with my TraderFay account. So if I took any trade, you'll see on the chart. I know that some people said they have encountered some issues with Chase Sinker. I encountered some issues too. But just I also encounter issues with web counter, so I think it's kind of inevitable with trade copier. Just I have to keep an eye on the page. As I also when I use web counter, I will keep an eye on the linear trader too. I want to give it another chance. Just if it's like have serious problem, then yeah, of course I'm not gonna use that anymore. But right now I think it's still okay. I mean, it didn't cost me any losses, extra losses, but it got some lagging, some connection issue, yes. You guys don't drink sake, right? I guess. The Japanese alcohol. You don't drink. No problem with that. I only drink. I don't smoke. I don't smoke cigarette, weed, or vaping. I don't do any of that. Or shisha. I don't do that. So I drink. You die if you try sake. Well, if you can accept sake, then soju you will definitely die. Soju is like higher, more alcohol. Oh, don't go. Come on, I don't like that. Oh, I want to end with that. I want to end it with this equal low just here. I mean, this equal low I can ignore because it got some distance from the price, but this one's so close. London session is so difficult. I think it's alright. I think New York session is a lot harder than London. It's doing equal highs now. I saw that. I saw that on 1 minute time frame. Mm. You have short bias. It's okay if you don't have to have like same trade idea with me. You can have opposite. I accept opposite opinion. Free speech is so important. Did you do back testing back in the times? Yeah, I do it very often. But I have to say I don't like it. It's so boring. I don't like it that I did it anyway. But it's I have to do that. If it's something I have to finish it, then I'll finish it. Do trade BTC. I used to, but I can't do that anymore because like we're restricted country. Hong Kong is restricted country for most of the crypto exchange, and I think you can guess have some ways to get around, but like it's just so not inconvenient. So that's why I think I'll just skip it. And you know what? Yesterday, um, Hong Kong just established a law that whoever promote stable coin, for example, like USDT, things like that, right, or USDC, is is a crime, criminal law with criminal law. So whoever promote those stable coin need to go to jail for real in Hong Kong. Yes, real, really. It's all over the news. So no, I'm not gonna promote any crypto because I keep receiving like DM from those crypto exchange to want me to promote their crypto exchange, but like no, no, thank you. What's the reason? Oh, I can say that. I mean, it's public here. It's YouTube. I say that I'll go to jail. So don't ask me. Do you watch 15 minutes? Well, when I do analysis, I will use it. For example, at first I was like reading the chart with top down analysis. I will use that, but like when I tape reading, I'm not using 15 minutes because it's not moving. If I use 15 minutes time frame to tape reading, then we're just reading a painting because nothing's gonna move. You can just travel around the world or move to other places. Yeah, yeah. I want to leave Hong Kong. The reason I started to learn trading is because I want to leave Hong Kong. So that's why I started learning in 2019. That is where the year that I want to leave Hong Kong. But I spent so much time on learning it because it's so hard. I need to have some professional skill before moving to other country. I think it's so important because like I don't want to go to another country and then work at a supermarket. I mean, it's just they're just making ends meet. I respect that, but that's not something I want to do. So I need to have equip myself with a professional skill first. Can you explain the market open trade that you took yesterday? Okay, let me see. Market open trade. You guys keep an eye on the price. Huh? If it's ripped, let me know. Here, here. So market open is where? Oh, fine. 9:30, 9:30. Here, 9:30. I was long. I'm so sorry. I think I long around here with this consolidation because we got obviously price with London O, IFVG is consecutive average, so I wait a little bit. Price keep chopping, so I enter here. Then price go up. I close my trade here with the relative equal high, and then price chop down. So, and then here I enter another trade. Yeah, that's how. You can see that I just keep looking for trades, right? No matter it's London session or New York session, I just keep looking for trade for long position, which is the right thing to do. I think I got to. How can I? Oh, I think I will accidentally kick the buy sell button, so I have to make it disappear first. How long have you been profitable? Well, I started in 2019, right? But I wasn't profitable. I was trading everything like stocks, option, CFD, commodities, everything. And then in 2022, I found ICT. That's when I become profitable, and also, yeah. But at like in 2022, that year, I can say it's consistently profitable. It's profitable. It's not like, but it's not like consistently. But in 2023, I become a lot better. Yeah, it's just a year or 2 years thing, right? So you guys can do that. And at first, when I start to learn ICT, I was bad in language. I'm just not good at language, so I can't understand what he's talking about because it's English. And sometimes he do live stream, right? When they do live stream, I don't have subtitles, so I can't understand it. And I even use the live captions function, but I still can't understand that at that time. And when I watch his video, everyone said his talk is so boring, so they use 1.5 speed to watch. I need to slow down the speed because of the language barrier. I need to slow down. Can you believe that? I need to slow down the speed. But after watching all his mentorship and a few playlists, actually not only my trading skills improved, my language skill improved too. For example, right now I can do 1.5 speed too. I can understand all his live stream and also other people's live stream too. So for those who, because of the language barriers, so they didn't watch the original ICT video, you can try that. You will overcome this problem. I assure you, because I did that. Not all. I watch core content and 2022 mentorship, 2024, also all his Twitter Space archive, also the N series. And you can take a look in Discord. I got a playlist recommendation. And also, yeah, I think I still have a few playlists I watch. I marked it down in Discord. I didn't watch 2023 because I was so busy improving myself, so I don't have time to watch 2023. But I start to watch. But I'm more like I'm free because I was making money, and that's why I feel more relaxed to learn more. Because when you're learning the old mentorship and you keep getting new things, it's gonna affect you. That's why I stopped watching his 2023 live stream, but just focus on his past playlist. learning English with ICT. You learn so much cursing and swearing. I love that. That's what I want to learn. You know, the other day I was comparing with another uh, American about why they don't have many curse words in English, because we got so many curse words in Cantonese. So when I'm angry, I can say all those things. I can literally rap all the curse words in Cantonese, but we got nothing in English. You guys please teach me. You know why, if ICT is such a cheating god, he cannot still what tries to win the World Cup or the Robins Cup? But we all saw him like live streaming and taking winning trades. You guys keep saying he didn't take trade, he did. And you guys keep saying he paper trade, but he actually trade with AMP before, right on the live stream. But you guys didn't watch all the videos. That's why you will trust all those, people bad mouth about him. But for those who did watch all his videos, we know the fact is, we know what the truth is. And for those who complain about Robin's Cup, just watch it. So nowadays when I saw someone like cursing about ICT or talking shit about him, I just ignore that, because I'm glad I got one less competitor, because that guy is not gonna be profitable. I know that because he don't like ICT, so he's not gonna watch his mentorship. Then he won't be profitable, so he's gonna be the liquidity. When I win, they are the liquidity. So I'm happy to see those people here talking shit. We all should be happy about that. Those are the loser, and we're gonna win the money from them. So right now, price NQ sweep this equal low, which price reached the 1 hour CB first, and then go down to sweep this equal low. And yes, still here, but yes, it's so close to Asia low and it's relative equal low, so maybe it's gonna keep going down. This is relative equal low too. Uh, so the one I marked out annotate is 5-minute CB, because in 1 minute it's like I can see anything with 1 minute here. Oh, okay, so we got another equal high too. I'll mark it out. Right now we just wait. And since we got some time here, should we do a small giveaway? To celebrate the Apex 90% off promotion. Because we don't get that very often. I'm thinking if I should grab more evals because I get so many backup account. I think over 20 backup accounts. So I don't know if I should still buying some more. I'll see. We gotta keep an eye on this too. I don't want to miss this out because of giveaway or any other thing. Hmm. It's not 90% off. There's 140 activation fee. It's 90% off for the evaluation. We never said the activation fee is 90% off. But if you, I can understand if you don't like APAS, you can just simply don't join the giveaway. Guys, take APAS. Oh, so hot here. Oh, it's 32 degrees Celsius here. Oh my god, I'm dying. Mhm. Do you guys watch Netflix? You know there's a movie recently, K-pop Demon Hunter. Wow, that was great. Because I like K-pop, so I watched that movie. Animation. It was so popular in US too. I think it's the number one movie on Netflix right now. Oh, seems like we don't got many people joining this giveaway today. It only got you don't even have 100 people here. You have watched it too, right? That's good movie too. You know, before I watched that, I was like, I'm not really into animation, and also the film title is kind of weird, and the storyline, before watching it, you got a trailer to see what's the story about. Like it's like, oh, someone used K-pop to beat demon. What the hell? Do I really have to watch that? Like, what kind of story is that? It isn't it for children? But after I watched that, because I was like just free, I just had time. Well, that was great. So I highly recommend that. If you had children, you can watch it with your children. What MFFU, Jerry? Wait here. Okay. So I want the price to clear this liquidity here, here, and here. I don't understand why some people call Tradify IFY. Is it because IFY is the last three letters of Tradify? Then what are you gonna call Spotify? Because Spotify is also got IFY at the end. So when we got 100 people, we started. I think we will have 100 people. So many people don't want giveaway. Yeah, I know you guys are rich. We got some rich folk here. For example, like Jack. Yeah, I thought Tradify was TDY too, isn't it? Because like for their account, your account number start with TDY. So I have no idea why people calling it IFY. There is another program called I don't know how to pronounce it. Fifth. I don't know what is. Someone pronounce it for me. Thank you. FXIFY. Guys, don't forget to kick like. I mean, I appreciate you type Apex, but if you kick the like, I would be more happy. I didn't request it today because I think we could just have a chill Friday live stream. But if you if you kick the like, I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a prize. I'll see like what happened. Okay, so yes, Swift HLO. We're not okay. I'll keep an eye on that. Hmm. Okay, we got 100, so we start now. Start. Haha. Who will be the... Oh! Jason Lau. Congratulations. I assume this is a Hong Kong trader, right? Please type something in the chat to claim the prize. Jason. Are you here, Jason? Okay, I saw you. So you take a screenshot of your YouTube account, also post it with your email just in Discord. Then I will send you an email. All right. We still have one more. We can take a look at price first. We can wait, I think, 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, because I want at least see if price will clear this liquidity. But if price keep chopping, then I'll start that. Because I don't want to miss anything here. The Discord link is inside the description box, the info box. Yeah, we 4 minutes, 3 minutes to 3 a.m. So I have to see what's gonna happen at 3 a.m. And also yesterday, I posted a tweet about um, encouraging everyone to name the best trading book they have ever read. So many of them recommend the book from Tom Hoger, Trader Tom, Best Loser Wins. I watched that. That was a great book. Guys, please watch that. I think they got Chinese version too. So uh, if you would like to, you can read the Chinese version too. And also they got ebook, so you can watch it. You can read it on um, Kindle or any other ebook platform. It's about trading psychology, I'll say, more than trading skills. How do you know which liquidity level to clear before considering taking a loan? I don't know. I don't know. So that's why I'm watching the chat. How am I gonna know that? Only if the setup appear, I will know that. Right now, I don't know that. So that's also one of the reasons why I can't allow to trade. Like, I know people want me to allow that, but since we are trading with scalper, we're trading super lower time frame. I mean, I can give you some swing trade idea, but I'll think about that. Maybe I'll do something like that. Because if I give any like trade alert or trade idea, it's gonna be higher time frame. It's not gonna be like that. The live stream, because it doesn't make sense. Even for ICT, his trade alert is like before that price happened. That's price action happened like 10 minutes or 30 minutes before, right? It can be like half day before. They can have some bias, but it's not like exactly a trade idea. For example, ICT will tell us with a weekly forecast video about which liquidity pool he's eyeing on for the week, for the coming week. But he's not like giving you a trade idea. Like, I want to long here. It's not like that, right? So it's different. What do you look for? I want to look for long position, but right now I didn't see any setup yet. Because of the current level, we're so close to all-time high. That's why I don't want to look for long. Oh, I muted the mic, so I think we still got sound here. Why are you looking for loans? I mean, if there's a loan set up appear, then I will look. I will try to take it. It's not like right now price is dropping, but I still want to loan. It's not like that. Okay, it's different. I gotta make it clear first. It's not like price dropping. That's why I have to loan. I have to catch. I have to entry at the bottom. It's not something like that. Only if the setup appear. Right now we don't have it. What are you talking about? What's that? Ah, yeah, but why the long bias? We're in all time high. I mean, of course, like price not gonna going up straight. It's gonna have to retrace to get into another high. We all know that. That's how market move. But I don't want to engage with those retracement, those bearish move with all time high situation. Why would I take this short? For what? Because like we're not only thinking about profit. I always say that in trading, the first priority is preserve capital, is risk management. It's not about taking winning trades or making how much profit you can. It's preserve capital because if we are not trading profit, we are trading our real capital, then you will understand how important it is to preserve capital. Because before trading profit, I was trading my personal capital. In this all-time high market condition, I think it's too risky to take any short. That's why, even though there's gonna be, of course, there's gonna be bearish move, but like, no, no, thank you, no, thank you. I will just pass. Well, and also I gotta say, you can see the video title is summer break, right? Because we all know that in summer, price sessions gonna be suck. That's also one of the reasons why ICT leave us, leave the social media during these few months because usually a price session is gonna be stuck in August and also December because of the summer holiday and also the Christmas. So we usually avoid trading that period of time. But of course, since we're trading pop firm, we got like minimum trading day to get a payout. So of course, I will still trade, but you gotta understand it's gonna be harder for sure. It's gonna be harder than normal month, normal days. So you gotta be careful of your risk management if you still want to keep trading in August. And also with the construction noise that you guys keep hearing that, and I keep hearing that. So I think it's so hard to live stream during this day. I don't know how long is it gonna last. Maybe a month or maybe more. I mean, I can't control that because it's not my construction; it's my neighbor's construction. So, um, so I'm gonna stop streaming for a while, but I will make some YouTube videos. That's what my plan is. Because for example, you guys say like London price session sucks or New York price session sucks, and in August it's gonna be worse for sure because it's just like that every year. But can you still spot some setup? Yes, you can, but it's just really more difficult. For real. For real, it's just more difficult. How do you trade a London session? Is it easier to trade during New York since the price is already engineered and there's more liquidity? No, I don't think so. I think London session is easier. But of course, if because price move, the range, the price range is larger than London session in NY. So if you like take a trade, you can make more profit than London session. But for beginner, I would say it's easier for them to manage the risk and read the price with London session. And also, it's a profitable session. I heard someone, I ran a Taiwanese trader, kept telling me, not don't trade London session. You're gonna ruin yourself. I was like, I trade London session since Chang 2. Where the hell is he at that time? I mean, I keep trading that. I even trade London session for Euro USD, Forex, and other pairs like AUD JPY. I trade that in London session. Oil, gold, like all those assets you can trade in London session and you will make profit with that. And that's why also that's why ICT will have a London Q zone, right? If it's not a profitable session, then there won't be any London Q zone. For example, he doesn't recommend us to trade Asia session, so that means it's like different. Bro, I entered it. Do you guys see that? Oh, should I? Let me think. It's like, this is the best. This is the best TP bond, but it's like, it's not enough. I'm so greedy. Now I'm gonna take it to the midnight opening price. And right now I'm like, I think around 12 pound stop loss. Take a look. Okay, everything's good. So I got 5 accounts gonna be set a sell limit here, and other accounts set a sell limit here. So because the entry point with the stop loss is 12 point, so I think it's worth a try. And if it's a lot, like it's coming down, right? If it's a lot, is around 11.5 point stop loss, so it's acceptable. For example, if I found the entry point is like far away from the stop loss I want, for example, like 30 points, then I won't enter the trade because it's not worth it for me if that's the case. Surprise, pass through the 1 minute CB and also 1 minute volume imbalance, had to end up and then retrace into a 1 minute BC and 1 minute volume imbalance, and we will see if price want to keep going down here. This one is also a 1 minute bullish order block. We got some barriers, so we'll see. Okay, yes, it's dropping, so maybe we will have another loss today. Yes, right now is support by the end dot on yes. And also gotta say one thing, if 3 PD arrays are invalid, then that means the your chair idea is invalid too. I remember ICT say a word, right? If three PD arrays got hit, the next is your ass, isn't it? Something like that. Okay, it's close. Stop out. It's around $470 for these losses. So we got 1 minute volume imbalance and also BC here. Another bullish order block, a larger bullish order block. So that means we're gonna wait for another setup. Do you use N dot as support resistance? I use it as PD array. Reason about why I took this trade because like we're inside 1 hour FVG right now, so I want to see if this is the bounce, this is the retracement we got. So, and also we got, yeah, but this is like this N dot is quite hard. But we'll look for another because like we create another relative equal high here. I still think it's like we got some potential with that. Do we have? Oh, we have SMT. So I will wait for another setup. This time I think I need to be like a little bit higher. I still think we got potential here. In this day, you don't like learn session. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that sometimes. And losses is inevitable. Everyone has losing chase. I didn't post my losing chase, but like because I think I don't have to. I mean, of course I'm gonna have losing chase. If anyone saw I didn't post losing trade and then think that I have only winning trades, they're crazy. Because I think it's just some common sense that of course I have losing trades. And you're not gonna learn anything from a losing trades chart. So that's why I don't post it. I don't know what is it gonna talk about. And if you ever read that book from Mark Minervini about the winning trading psychology, he talked about what you should keep practicing is the winning. It's not your losing. So I know people say you could learn some lesson from your losses, but actually, if you keep looking from your losses, your mistakes, what you remember is those mistakes. But what you should copy is those winning trades. So, for example, in life, we should with more information about those successful people, not about those who have like disaster life. I mean, I was living like very poor in the lowest class, so I respect those people too because I was like that. But if you keep reading those things, it didn't get you anywhere. It's just like trading. You should learn those successful examples. Yeah. So I think I recommended before that book. Yeah, maybe price wanna head to here. So we're gonna wait. But to be honest, I won't short this trade because like short this move, we got equal high. I'm not shorting this. It's not a trade or a setup I would take. What kind of YouTube videos do you guys want to watch? I mean, I asked that. I want to know, like, what are you interested in? What kind of topic? And I don't know if I can make that. I mean, I'm just not good at video editing or any technology computer thing. I'm gonna try my best. And I'm not gonna find someone to do that because like I'm not like focusing on content creating. I mean, I'm a trader. I'm just doing content creating for fun. It's fun. It's fun though. For example, for this live stream, I feel it's fun. Even though I got losses, I'm still okay with that. I mean, you got. I mean, I got like 200 and like 20 people facing these losses with me. I don't have to face the losses by myself. It's not bad. Do you think market is bearish or bullish? Guys, what kind of question are you asking? It just it's you just like those people asking for a symbol, for a stock symbol. You look for setup. I mean, because every time frame can be different. For example, I'm like for some like daily time frame or weekly time frame or monthly time frame, we are bullish. But for like 15-second time frames, we are bearish. So it's kind of like it's invalid. So you just have to look for setup. If there's any setup, you take it. If not, you wait. And if you won, you took the losses, and then wait again. Yeah, market is hard to trade with all-time high. I remember last year or 2023, we got all-time high too. That was so hard. Even ICT set is like one of the hardest market hit ever faced. How do you manage Charling Jordan? Well, first you gotta be like very cautious about the trading setup you choose. Right. I'm not gambling it. I mean, for example, like Apex, you can gamble with NFP because you can hedge in Apex evals. For example, like you can long in one account and then short in another. Then that is gambling. But for example, for other TradeFi, like right, you can hedge. You can only choose long or you can only choose short. In that case, of course, you're not gonna gamble the eval because you got higher chance to lose if you just simply chose one of them. Right, you're gonna also have a trade idea and also how to manage the whole thing, the whole setup. But for Apex, I think gambling the eval is okay. I mean, if they let you hatch the eval, they assume you're gonna gamble it, and it's so cheap right now, right? It's 90% off. How much is that? 90% off? Is that $19 or 16? I think they increased the price. I think around $19, right? 17. 17 is so cheap. I mean, I kind of can't think of any reason not to gamble with Apex. Only Apex, okay, not other platform because Apex you allow you to hedge eval and they are so cheap, so affordable. $7. I think all of you can afford it for $17. So if I don't see another setup, I will just take that one losses with me and then wait for New York session. And you can hear it with my voice, with my tone that I am totally fine with losing. Even so many people is watching, I'm okay with that because I always take losing trades, and I assume every one of you will gonna have took losing trade before and also will took losing trade in the future, and it's okay. You gotta know what you done wrong and how to improve it, and how is your mental condition is, right? Are you fine with your emotion? Are you like angry? You want to revenge trading? Are you lose your patience? You want to overtrade? Things like that. If you find you got those um feelings or emotion, you gotta stop and then just take a break for a few hours. You can go have a walk or maybe sleep, and then start again. It's just like that. And I love demonstrate losing trades because I got accused of not being transparent. So I'm here to show the transparency you guys want. But I know after I show this transparency, people will say, "Oh, see, she can only talk losing trades on live stream. She sucks." I think that's gonna be the consequences after those like losing live streams. Yeah, yeah. Apex got so many rules. So honestly, I think I can take a payout with my payout this payout cycle because I think I broke one of the rule. I haven't submitted the payout request yet, but I assume I will get the line with this payout cycle. Because I think I break one of the rule, so I gotta wait for another like 7 or 8 days, 18 days. As long as you don't, exceed your maximum loss limit, it's just a matter of time. Are you taking losing trade to make transfers? No, no, bro, no chat. I of course I want to win, and it's my fund account. No, I'm not doing this intentionally. I'm not. That's gonna be crazy. I have more win than losses on live stream. Is that? I think I have more losses because like based on my win rate, I should have more losses based on my average win rate. So 5 minutes, 4 minutes to 3:30. We'll see if 3:30 will drive the price in any direction. And yes, I am still looking for long. Yes, but I want to be more careful this time. I don't want to be like so reckless or enter any random trades. I mean, if my trade is based on my trade idea and also the trading model, even if it's a loss, well, I'll offset it because I did nothing wrong. I just have the wrong analysis, but I didn't do wrong with my trading approach. Do you mean the Hong Kong index? Because that it we got so many manipulation with that indices. Um, it's not for beginners because we don't have that much liquidity as the U.S. indices. The pool is a lot smaller than the U.S. indices, so It's easier for some market maker or some like large position trader to to manipulate the whole market. So right now, yes, form a equal low. You see that with this line. And also we got relative equal low here with well, if you like Hong Kong index, you can trade. I wouldn't do that. I mean, as a you know, in Hong Kong, if we first started trading, we're gonna trade stock, we're gonna trade indices. The first thing we will have education with is the Hong Kong indices because we're in Hong Kong, right? Of course, we're gonna have information about the indices. So the first asset we will trade is the Hong Kong indices. Every Hong Kong trader will be like that. I think even not the first. I think it will be like the second or the third because you're just gonna trade those things first when you first know about the stock market. Oh my god, it's so boring. Okay, 10 seconds to 3:30. You see, okay, we got anything. So boring right now. Do you continue watching markets after 2 to 5 London session? Not really. I should do other things. I mean the chat is still there. I'm not like closing the chat, but I'm also not watching that. Maybe if I walk past by. 早晨，仲早啊，而家晏晝咯喎，3點半。Do you pay 30% tips at restaurant? Tips DJ? Well, since we're not in America, we don't have that tipping culture. That's crazy thing. You can mark up on the price of the food, or you can just write down the like extra 10% service charge, for example, before everyone go inside restaurant. Like for example, some restaurants said we got extra 20% service charge, and you know that before you get into the restaurant, that means you're okay with that service charge and you pay for that. It's not like someone forced you to pay tips while they did nothing. I mean, of course you give good service, I'll pay the tips. But if you just pass me the dishes, thank you. Bro, press so slow. Okay, we do another um giveaway because I just don't know what we are doing with prize. So type APAS in the chat. If you already type that, if your name is already on the list, you don't have to do that. But if not, if you're not yet inside the list, type APAS. No, we don't type top step, Jerry. I fucking hate that. You know that. You're welcome to type any other program, just not top step. Okay. So we got finally swept this fucking shit. Bro, I love this week. Give me something. Give me something valid. This week is like kind of perfect. If it's keep acting like that, it's gonna be perfect. But if it work like if it going down, then no. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. We are in 1 minute volume imbalance right now, so not yet. Oh, come on. You got a great week here. Just give me something. Just give me something. Come on. Work harder. Thank you. Behave. Thank you. I'll wait for like I think 1 more minute for everyone to participate in the giveaway. It's a 15 seconds or bullish order block. And okay, we'll do the giveaway. Okay. Now, congratulations. Should I try to pronounce this name? It's gonna be hard. Well, I just give up. Congratulations. Please type something in the chat to claim the prize. Alfredo. Is that? I try to guess how it pronounced. Something like that. Are you here? Are you here? Chat. Are you here? Alfredo. Alfredo. Okay, I see you. Congratulations. Please take a screenshot of your YouTube account also with your email address. Okay, so we're here. And we will see if this is another losses. If this is another loss. This is another losing trade. But I just wondering, do you guys like to watch losing trade or winning trade? Because I just think like losing trade is gonna attract more people to watch. because because audience love watching people uh get disaster, get a bad life. So they will be happy. This is the 15 seconds time frame. Why do you have your stop loss there? Because of this 15 seconds candle? Because if I'm wrong, I wanna run with a smaller loss, not a larger one. So I can recover it. For example, like yesterday, I also took some losing trades, right? When I want to come back, I didn't lose much. Even for 2 losing trades, I didn't lose much. I don't remember how much that. I think not more than $1,000. So I'll easily get it recover and also make profit from my next trade. But if I lose a lot, imagine if I lose, for example, like 5,000. I mean, well, it's so hard to come back if I lose 5,000. Especially for MFFU eval, you can only trade with 3 minis. If you want to use 3 minis to win back like 5,000, 3,000, it's kind of, it's not like impossible, it's just hard, right? So I just tend to minimize my stop loss as a, like, of course, as a reasonable position, like it's not like random area. I mean, those people is gonna think I'm lying because because when I win, I'm not live streaming. I'm not taking those winning trades on live stream. So people will say, "Oh, she lose on stream, but suddenly after the stream, there's winning trades, magic." I mean, in the long one, you're profitable, then everything will be fine. Of course, if you keep taking losing trade, if you took losing trades only, then that's the problem. For example, I won't take 10 losing trade in a row. I think I've done that. I mean, when I don't know how to trade at first, I did done something like that. But when I become profitable, I didn't have anything like that. Like I got losing streak, but it's not gonna be like 10 losing streak. I think I've never done that before. I think I have 5 to 6 losing streak. I tried that. But because of the tight stop loss, it saved my ass, and come back. Sometimes I can just only come back with break even. I can like make an other profit with that, but still, if I have like 5 or 6 losing streak, but I can come back with break even, I'm happy about that. Doesn't mean you need to prove them wrong. I'm not proving anything. I don't think I need to. I'm just having fun here. I'm drinking my sake here, live streaming, and we don't have construction noise right now. They stop. I think they're probably going to high tea. So we got quiet space finally. Okay. It's coming to me. Goodbye, my money. Goodbye, my money. I'll fire you again. We'll stop this time. So right now my total, let me see, total losses for today is $870. So it's $870. I'm just drinking like a small glass. It's not like I'm drunk, okay? It's just like drinking water. And honestly, I think this is the one, but like I'm not gonna overtrading here, at least not on live stream. So in conclude, I took 2 losing trade today, and it's like the total loss is $870, and we'll see how we can combat with this losing amount. And you guys just know that. I think you guys know that we got along, right? You just find an entry point along that. And we will ending the stream here. And I'm a little bit annoying, yes, because we all know price is gonna go up. You just have to find the right entry point. So with this feeling, I think it's time to stop trading for me. And also, if anyone like that, you should stop trading. Vincent, you want to, what do you want? So what do you want, huh? Well, if you don't like that, you can leave. You can fucking leave. And if you're that good, you can also live stream too, isn't it? You can do that and show me you're better than me, isn't it? Hi,唔十 K 翻得。I mean, so someone just here compare me to some scammer. So, okay, I'm not stopping the stream now. I'm gonna fucking fuck you first. So what do you want, huh? Tell me. Oh yeah, he's not talking right now. He's not talking right now. Where the hell are you, huh? He's scared right now. Yeah. See you guys next time. So that fucking crazy guy. I'm mad with the losing trade. But because I didn't take the winning trades on live streaming, and they're mad, like, because they also can take the winning trades, and they want to copy my trades here, but I didn't done that in front of them, so they are now here talking some shit to me. Yeah. Happy Friday, everyone. And enjoy your weekend. And fuck you, Vincent. Fuck you. Goodbye. See you guys later.